Hello everyone and welcome to EJ Guitar. So if you're new to this channel, please hit that wee subscribe button if you like what I do, or just leave me a little comment below. It's always good to chat because I do get terribly lonely staring into this camera. Well, with that out of the way, let's get back on track. So today's lesson is all about strumming in 4/4 time. Now, before I get into talking about 4/4 time, imagine you have bought a guitar for Christmas. Okay, imagine you have bought a guitar, well, maybe not bought, okay, maybe given to you as a present would be more likely. Imagine someone has given you this wonderful gift of a guitar as a present for Christmas or birthday, and you're ecstatic, you're over the moon. So you rip open the paper, you see the guitar, you're like, yes, just what I wanted. And then you rip it out of the box, and then you look at the instruction manual and you start to play, you learn to tune it, and after ages and ages of hard work, you eventually learn your first chord, which is probably E minor, or maybe G major, or C major, and you're like, yes, but what do I do now? Where do I go from here? You're left scratching your head. But never fear, I was in that same position too when I first started learning to play guitar. So in this lesson I'm going to demonstrate strumming in 4/4, which will help you to make your playing that little bit more musical. So let's dive on in and have a look at how to strum in 4/4. Well, first of all you ask, what is 4/4? Good question. 4/4 just means that to each musical bar there is 4 beats. So one bar of 4/4 would be counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be one bar. If it was 2 bars, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So essentially you are just counting in 4. For each musical bar. So with that knowledge, let's apply it to our guitar playing. So I'm going to pick this E minor chord. You can do this with any chord you wish, but as an example I'm going to demonstrate this, I'm going to just use an E minor chord. So what I'm going to do is strum one bar of 4/4 using an E minor chord. Now the easiest way to do that is to strum 4 even downstrokes, down strums, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So making sure to count as you strum. Now this is a good way for your brain to learn to remember counting to strum in 4/4. Just gets your brain used to thinking in 4/4. So I'll show you that again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm doing this with an E minor chord, but like I said, you can do it on any chord you wish. So there you have it. You have successfully played one bar of 4/4 on your chosen chord. Okay, step number 2. Let's join up some chords. So let's do a 2-bar progression now. So now I'm going to demonstrate strumming 1 bar of E minor followed by 1 bar of G major. So it would be E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4 to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1 bar of E minor and 1 bar of G major. So it's 8 strums all together, 4 for each chord, 4 for each bar. So that's great, you've just strummed or just played 2 bars of 4/4. Now I know what you're probably thinking, I have trouble, you say, changing between chords. Well, never fear, you can slow things right down. So now, instead of strumming 4 strums for each bar, I'm just going to strum once for each bar and let the chord ring out for the remaining 3 beats, like this. So E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4 to G, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the reason for this is it gives your fretting hand, your left hand, more time to change between the two chords. So you can slow this way down, as slow as you like. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4 E minor, 2, 3, 4 to G, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it. Just you can strip it right back, make it nice and slow, giving your fingers lots of time to change between chords, but always counting 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is super important. Well, I hope you found this lesson useful. That's a wee introduction on how to play in 4/4, how to strum your guitar in 4/4. I hope that's helped a little bit, made your playing sound a bit more musical and had lots of fun doing it. If you have had lots of fun, then please subscribe to my channel or just drop me a wee comment below. As I say, I do get lonely staring into the void of this camera. Well, that's all for today, folks. I'll see you all soon.